finesse is me, my curly hair, and this V-part wig, okay? Because you don't see the heat damage. You don't see any indication of my hair and where the V-part wig starts. So love that for me. With these two easy methods, you too can love it even if your hair doesn't match with this method, or you can blend it with this method even if you have a little heat damage. So keep on watching to see just how. Alright, so we are going to get right into this video because this is one of them quick and simple how to install a curly V-part wig, because this summer you need a curly V-part wig, okay? And even if the hair is not your texture, I'm going to be showing some easy and quick styles that you can try to still be able to wear a curly V-part wig. We're going to go ahead and get our natural hair how we need it to install a V-part wig. Personally, I like to go in with a method that is not only quick but easy to do. I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed. I will be doing a middle part, if I can get it in the middle. And I normally like to measure the part of the wig so I can know how far back I need to go. Then we're gonna take a section out. And because this is a V-part wig, you have the option to not have to leave out so much hair. My middle is currently my struggle area. So yeah, we're not going to be leaving out that much. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. Also want to go in and leave some perimeter leave out. This is going to help us be able to do different styles with this V-part wig other than having to wear our hair curly to match it. So on this side, we're just going to go in and take out some leave out in the front and repeat the same thing on the other side. I like to make sure my leave out is not in the way of my style, so I did just braid those down just to have it out of the way. Now for this part of my hair, I will have it in like a low ponytail. You can always do 2 flat braid cornrows. You can do twists, whatever you need to do to get it flat, you can do that. But I do want to make sure that I mention for V-part wigs, you can always apply it right here. But for more security, I like to go in with 2 plaits on each side or 2 braids. So I'm going to be doing the plait method this time. I do have previous videos on my channel that show both methods, but this is just what I like to do. For the plait method, I'm going to be parting a small section on each side of my leave out, and then I split that in half to plait it down. This is a great way to have something for your wig to anchor onto. And if you're somebody that can't braid to your scalp, the plait works just as well. And I don't have to plait it all the way down. It's just enough for the wig to actually clip onto. So I have my 2 plaits. This will then go in my low ponytail with the rest of my hair. Now that that's done, you can either plait this down and bobby pin it up, or you can just flip it up under the wig when you put on your V-part. Now about the V-part. About the V... Yo, this is gorgeous. AliPearl. Look at these curls. Now, I've had a curly V-part wig from AliPearl. I've had a curly V-part wig from AliPearl years ago, and love curly hair. So straight out of the packaging, it is full from start of the V-part to the end. So I think that's awesome. With the V-part wig, you do get the clips near the V. We're gonna slice this part in half. Just take some scissors and cut that part. You have a comb in the back, and the wig also comes with a strap near the comb. Curls come beautiful straight out of the packaging, so I'm not gonna have to do much for this. And adjust the adjustable strap to how you want it. And if you don't need it, it's detachable, so you can just take it out. So I'm gonna flip the ponytail up and just put on the wig. And it does have combs, so feel for the comb. I'm just gonna put that right on in. The first method, we're gonna be doing some light wand curls. I went ahead and did one side off camera just so, you know, I can kind of get a feel for it. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm blending it in with the hair. And I recommend this method lazy girl friendly right when you get the hair. So no water, no product, no mousse. This is going to be the easiest way to do it straight out of the packaging to blend your hair with it if it's not the same texture. I'll take something to make sure the hair is out of my way, And we're just gonna take apart our leave out. I'm gonna clip this part out of the way. It just helps everything kind of goes more smoothly. Now we're working with these sections. I did spray light heat protectant on my hair, but it doesn't take long. And I actually need to cut it down because it's too high. If you have the pencil size wand curl, that's gonna be so much easier because I'm so afraid of burning my face right now that I'm far away from my root. It doesn't take long, just some light curls. Now to blend it in, my hair and some of the wig hair, we're just gonna lightly toss that in it with it. My hair, wig hair, just to kind of help it lay a little more seamless down. Now, if your natural hair is similar to this texture, let's go ahead and get it blended. I'll be going in with water and a little conditioner in my spray bottle just to dilute my hair and the wig hair, followed by some Lotta Body foam mousse. Although I do have a little heat damage, I'm still able to blend my hair with this wig very seamlessly. One way that I'm able to do this is literally disguising my hair in with the actual wig hair. So if you guys keep on watching, you'll see how I do that. That's a little look at my heat damage, and I like to go ahead and brush my hair with some of the wig hair just to form my curls, and then I'm going to be taking individual pieces and hiding it in with the wig hair. Look at these curls, how good they activate. And if you're someone who does not have heat damage hair, of course you would just blend your hair how you need to, but this is a great way for you to blend and disguise your heat damage in with the curly hair. All right, y'all, this is the final results of the blend method. Look close up. It looks so good. It looks so good. And I am lightly trimming my hair every so often, so please bear with me. Don't come for me in the comments about my heat damaged ends. Just know that my hair has been growing out and it's not stunting the growth. Retention is key, I know, which is why I need to trim those ends. I'm just doing what's best for me. Shout out to AliPearl Hair. All the information on this curly V-part wig will be down below. And while you're down there, feel free to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I would love to have you a part of my fam on this journey, and we're gonna be doing our hair ourselves, y'all. Finessing it. Get into it. You know you can do it. Come on, follow me and I can show you what to do with it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Bye, y'all.